Hello everyone and welcome sa Tanang Antonio A. Sogo, Dodong for short, and of course with YouTube channel ASC Variety Vlogs. And today I'm just doing this to greet of course those special people around me a happy New Year 2025. At unahin ko na dyan ang aking beloved auntie Saay and kids. Of course, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, baka may makalimutan pa ako and I don't have the listing. Basta, Happy New Year sa inyo lahat dyan. And Auntie Saay, keep smiling dyan. And enjoy life. Of course, sa aking Uncle Mali lang naman dyan with the people around you. Happy 2025 also. Sa aking Auntie Rosette dyan, at hindi ko na i-mention, baka makalimutan akong isa doon sa tatlong mga anak, mga cousin. So, ang asulat ni Ama dyan, all my relatives, my kadugo dyan, happy 25 sa ating lahat. And just enjoy life, okay? Yung mga problema na yan, normal yan. And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan my Gemverge family. Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Hindi ko na ma-mention isa-isa, baka may makalimutan ako doon sa 10 sa atin. Happy New Year guys! And though hindi na ako magsalita dito kasi this is a New Year's greetings. Basta I love you all always. Basta, I love you. Happy New Year, guys. And of course, aking King's College Solan family, both my colleagues and ex-students, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. And going to Poblacion Pulobulok National High School. Sa inyong lahat dyan na napakarami natin, Happy 2025. And then to my Wapi Padom School family and colleagues, Happy 25 to all the students there. Enjoy your New Year, and of course I'll be going to my YouTube family. I'm greeting you all guys a happy 2025, and let's just keep enjoying this year and embrace positivity, and of course let's share that to everybody. And nilaglag ko na anyway si Marites while I had my zip lining, and nilaglag ko na rin doon yung mga pakialamera na nakakasira ng mood natin. So, medyo wala na yun in 2025. Hindi ko nga lang inihulog yung may utang. Kasi of course, paano pa makakabayad kapag inihulog natin? Anyway guys, ano lang yun ha? Patalastas lang yun. Basta happy New Year to us, all of us. My Facebook family, Happy New Year to us all. And trivia muna tayo. Why I have this color guys while doing this video? It is because this is the shade of 2025. It is a mocha chocolate like color. So ito yung aking napili, medyo light, kasi kapag ka medyo darker, medyo alam nyo na yung ating kulay, pwede na hindi tayo magdadamit kasi mocha na yung ating kulay. Basta let's keep enjoying life. And my Finn family there in Polomolok, South Cotabato, of course happy New Year sa ating my BFF dyan, Rolly Finn, Ngogip of course, and the rest of you there. And sa aking ate Liberty there in the US of A, there in the US of A, aking dyang BFF na Hazel and Rain Canada, sa inyong basta sa inyong lahat. Of course, hindi ko makalimutan na aking bunso na matampuhin from Tagum City, bunso Dove Tutorial with family, and my Kuya Nelbert there in Panabo, of course with family. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. And the rest, Happy New Year to us all, and let's keep sharing positivity. And then kung ano man yung mga problema na pinagdadaan na natin in the past year, tapon na natin yun, iwanan na natin yun, and let's embrace that positivity as I said, and let's keep enjoying life, share with what you have, and yun na nga, happiness ang i-share, hindi yung sadness. Happy New Year to us all, and let's enjoy!